Do you know the 5 devastating nutrient deficiencies to your health? Stay tuned to learn what they are, their consequences, what to do about it, and more. Vitamins are organic compounds that are essential for various metabolic processes in the body. They play critical roles in maintaining skin health, supporting immune function, promoting growth, and ensuring cells and organs work properly. There are 13 essential vitamins, including vitamins A, C, D, E, K, and the B complex group, which includes B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. What are minerals? Minerals are inorganic elements that also play vital roles in bodily functions. They are necessary for bone health, fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signaling. Major minerals include calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, and chloride. Trace minerals, which are needed in smaller amounts, include iron, manganese, copper, iodine, zinc, cobalt, fluoride, and selenium. Why we need both for optimal health? Both vitamins and minerals are essential for maintaining health because they support a variety of bodily functions. Vitamins often work as coenzymes, helping enzymes catalyze reactions. Minerals help build bones and teeth, make hormones, and regulate heartbeat. Without adequate intake of these nutrients, various bodily processes can be compromised, leading to health problems. What causes nutrient deficiencies? Nutrient deficiencies can be caused by several factors. Poor diet. Consuming a diet high in sugars, refined carbs, and unhealthy fats, as well as low in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins can lead to deficiencies. Digestive disorders. Conditions like Crohn's disease, celiac disease, and irritable bowel syndrome can impair nutrient absorption. Medications. Some medications can interfere with nutrient absorption or increase nutrient excretion. Increased nutrient needs. Pregnancy, breastfeeding, growth periods in children, and intense physical activity can increase the body's demand for nutrients. Chronic illness. Diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and liver disease can affect nutrient metabolism and absorption. Lifestyle factors. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and high stress levels can deplete the body's nutrient reserves. The 5 devastating nutrient deficiencies. 1. Vitamin B3 niacin deficiency. Niacin is essential for converting food into energy and maintaining healthy skin, nerves, and digestion. Deficiency can lead to pellagra, characterized by dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. Severe cases can result in death if left untreated. 2. Vitamin B12 cobalamin deficiency. B12 is crucial for red blood cell formation, neurological function, and DNA synthesis. A deficiency can cause anemia, fatigue, weakness, constipation, loss of appetite, weight loss, and neurological issues such as numbness and tingling in the hands and feet. Vitamin B1 thiamine deficiency. Thiamine is vital for energy, metabolism, and nerve function. Deficiency can lead to beriberi, which affects the cardiovascular, muscular, nervous, and digestive systems. Symptoms include weakness, nerve degeneration, and heart problems. In severe cases, it can lead to Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, a serious brain disorder, or iron deficiency. Iron is necessary for producing hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood. Iron deficiency is the most common nutritional deficiency worldwide and can cause anemia. Symptoms include hair loss, fatigue, weakness, pale skin, shortness of breath, and dizziness. Severe deficiency can impair cognitive development in children and reduce productivity in adults. 5. Vitamin D3 deficiency. Vitamin D3 is critical for calcium absorption and bone health. Deficiency can lead to rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults, both of which result in weak, brittle bones. It can also contribute to osteoporosis, increasing the risk of fractures. Other symptoms include fatigue, muscle weakness, and mood changes. How to naturally improve these devastating nutrient deficiencies? Vitamin B3, niacin. Foods high in niacin include chicken, turkey, salmon, tuna, brown rice, peanuts, and legumes. Incorporating these into your diet can help maintain adequate levels of B3. Vitamin B12 cobalamin. B12 is found in animal products such as meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy. For vegetarians and vegans, fortified foods and supplements are crucial to prevent deficiency. Vitamin B1 thiamine. Good sources of thiamine include pork, fish, seeds, nuts, and beans. Iron. To boost iron intake, consume red meat, poultry, seafood, beans, and dark leafy greens. Combining iron-rich foods with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits and bell peppers can enhance absorption. Vitamin D3. Sun exposure is a natural way of getting your vitamin D3. Foods like fatty fish, for example, salmon, mackerel, and sardines, and also egg yolks provide vitamin D. Supplements can be beneficial, especially in regions with limited sunlight. What supplements to use? Vitamin B3, also known as niacin. The recommended daily allowance, known as RDA for niacin, varies by age and sex, but for adults it is typically around 14 to 16 milligrams. Supplements are available if dietary intake is insufficient, but high doses can cause flushing and other side effects, so it's essential to follow medical advice. Vitamin B12, known as cobalamin. The RDA for B12 is about 2.4 micrograms for most adults. B12 supplements are available in various forms, including tablets, sublingual forms, and injections, especially for those with absorption issues. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. The RDA for thiamine is about 1.1 to 1.2 milligrams for adults. Thiamine supplements are available and are particularly important for those with increased needs or absorption issues. Iron. The RDA for iron varies significantly based on age, sex, and life stage. For example, pregnancy. Adult men typically need about 8 milligrams per day, while women of childbearing age need about 18 milligrams per day. Iron supplements come in various forms, and it's crucial to take them as directed to avoid potential side effects like constipation, liver problems, or stomach upset. Vitamin D3. The RDA for vitamin D3 is about 600 to 800 international units, or up to 5,000 international units for most adults, though higher doses may be recommended for those with deficiencies. Vitamin D3 supplements are widely available and can help maintain adequate levels, especially during the winter months or for those with limited sun exposure. By understanding these common nutrient deficiencies, their causes, and how to address them through diet and supplementation, you can take proactive steps to improve your overall health and well-being. Ensuring that your body receives the essential vitamins and minerals it needs is a vital part of maintaining optimal health and preventing chronic diseases. So, make sure to incorporate nutrient-rich foods into your daily diet and consider supplements when necessary to fill any gaps. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, ensuring that your body receives the essential vitamins and minerals it needs is critical for maintaining optimal health and preventing chronic diseases. Nutrient deficiencies can lead to a range of health problems, from mild discomforts to severe conditions that can significantly impact your quality of life. By understanding the importance of vitamins and minerals, recognizing the causes of deficiencies, and knowing how to address them through diet and supplementation, you can take proactive steps to safeguard your health. Vitamins and minerals play diverse and vital roles in bodily functions, from energy production and immune support to bone health and neurological function. A diet rich in a variety of nutrient-dense foods is the best way to ensure you meet your nutritional needs. However, lifestyle factors, medical conditions, and dietary restrictions can sometimes make it challenging to get enough of certain nutrients. Identifying and addressing specific nutrient deficiencies is essential. For example, ensuring adequate intake of niacin, B12, thiamine, iron, and vitamin D3 can prevent conditions such as pellagra, anemia, beriberi, osteoporosis, mental problems, and other related health issues. Incorporating foods rich in these nutrients into your diet, such as high-quality meats, fish, legumes, leafy greens, and healthy fats, is a practical approach to improving nutrient intake. In cases where diet alone cannot meet your nutritional needs, supplements can be a valuable tool. However, it is crucial to use them wisely and under medical supervision to avoid potential side effects and interactions. Understanding the recommended doses and appropriate forms of supplements can help you effectively address deficiencies without compromising your health. Taking proactive steps to monitor and maintain your nutrient levels can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider, combined with a balanced diet and appropriate supplementation, can help you achieve and maintain optimal health. By prioritizing your nutritional needs, you can enhance your energy levels, support your immune system, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, leading to a healthier, more brilliant life. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.